welcome to the Maths online class. Dear students, how are you all? I hope all are fine and safe. Okay, students, what did we learn in last class? What did we learn in last class, ma'am? Very good. Last class we learned about how to measure a line segment. Okay, how to measure a line segment. Children, so today we are going to learn about draw and measure line segment. Okay, so draw and measure line segment. Then how to measure a shape. Okay, how to measure a shape. How to measure a shape. Okay, students listen. Look at the slide now. So unit 4, lines, symmetry and patterns. Okay, students, today day 4. Okay, students listen here. Students, what is line segment, ma'am? What is line segment? Very good. So a line segment is a straight path with two end points. Okay, so a line segment is a straight path with two end points. Okay, children listen. Now we will draw the line segment. Okay, so children listen here. So this line segment. Okay, so it has a fixed length. Okay, it has a fixed length. Okay, so now children, this point name A. Okay, so this starting. Okay, so this end. So this end point B. Okay, so a line segment is a straight path with two end points. Okay, so this start point, this end point. So this name A, this name B. Okay, so children listen here. So it has a start and end point. Okay, it has a fixed length ma. Next it has a start and end point. Okay, so the line segment written as line segment AB. Okay, so this written as line segment AB or line segment BA. Okay, so line segment BA. Okay, children. So line segment AB or line segment BA. Okay, children. This symbol line segment AB. Okay, so line segment AB or line segment BA. Children, once again, a line segment is a straight path with two end points. Okay, children, it has a fixed length. Okay, a line segment is fixed length ma. It has a start and end point. Okay, children listen here. So this tells us AB. Okay, line segment AB or line segment BA. So this symbol this. Okay, line segment AB. Line segment BA. Is it clear, ma? Look at the slide all of you. Children, worksheet number 6. All of you take your worksheet, pa. Take your worksheet, page number 81 and worksheet number 6. Take fast. Children, I am giving 10 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Children listen. Look at the first question all of you. First question, measure the line segments and write their measurements below. Measure the line segments and write their measurements below. Children listen. Students listen. Look at the board now. Children, first we will draw the one line segment. Okay, children listen here. So this line segment ma, Okay, children, this start point. Okay, so this end point. Okay, so this name A. Okay, this name B. Okay, children. Students, listen. Which tool used to measure the length, ma? Which tool we used to measure the length? Very good. Ruler. Okay, yeah. A ruler is used to measure the length. Okay, so this is a ruler. Okay, students, listen. So one line segment are given. Okay, so this line segment name AB. Okay, now we measure the line segment. Okay, yeah. Children, listen. So this 0 centimeter. Okay, yeah. First we take the ruler mark and keep the 0 centimeter and end of the ruler. Okay, at point A. Okay, children. So this 0 centimeter. Okay, yeah. Next we read the number, children. So this 28. Okay, and this ending point number is 28. Okay, so this centimeter 28. Okay, children. We first keep the 0 centimeter end of the ruler. Okay, yeah. Next read the number carefully. Okay, next end point B. So this ending point is 28. Okay, yeah. So this line segment 28 centimeter. Children, centimeter can be written as cm. Okay, yeah. Children, mm means millimeter. Okay, so m. So millimeter. Okay, next cm. So centimeter. Okay, so millimeter can be written as mm. Next centimeter can be written as cm. Okay, so now this line segment 28 centimeter. Is it clear, pa? Okay, children. So next second question, listen here. One line segment are given. Okay, one line segment are given. So this name P and Q. Okay, this line segment is P, Q. Okay, children, now we measure the line segment. Okay, so first we take the ruler mark. Okay, keep the center point at the starting point. Sorry, keep the 0. Okay, at point P. Okay, children. Next, this ending point, children. So this 38 centimeter. Next balance 6 centimeter. Okay, students, listen here. So we measure the line segment mark. So first 38. Okay, next 6. Okay, so 38 next 6. Okay, so the line segment 44 centimeter. Okay, so the line segment 44 centimeter. Okay, children, keep the 0 as the end of the ruler mark. So this starting point P. Okay, yeah. So this ruler 38 centimeter. Next balance 6 centimeter. Okay, yeah. So our total length 44 centimeter. Okay, 44 centimeter. Students, listen. Look at the worksheet, all of you. First some listen now. Measure the line segments and write their measurements below. Okay, students, take the ruler, all of you. Take the ruler, ma'am. So there are 4 sums are given. Okay, yeah, 4 sums are given. First A question, listen here. First line segment AB. Okay, first line segment AB. So line AB, line segment AB are given. Second line segment PQ are given. Next C question, line segment ST. Next line segment MN. Okay, so there are 4 line segments are given. Now we measure the line segments. Okay, now we measure the line segments. Children, listen. paper and pencil, all of you. Students, listen. First A question, listen here. Worksheet number 6. Okay, worksheet number 6. First A question, listen. First question, measure the line segments. Okay, measure the line segments and write their measurements below. Children, first listen now. First question. Okay, measure the line segments and write the measurements below. Okay, students listen. Students listen here. So first line segment AB are given. Okay, children, you take the ruler mark and measure the line segment. Okay, so we get the answer 7 centimeter. Okay, A costing 7 centimeter. Okay, so line segment AB 7 centimeter. Write the answer. So first one answer 7 centimeter. Okay, next children, line segment PQ are given. Okay, start point B, P and end point Q. Okay, so line segment PQ. So this line segment length 9 centimeter. Okay, so line segment PQ 9 centimeter. Okay, so first one answer 7 centimeter, second answer B answer 9 centimeter. Okay, children. Next C question, listen here. Children, write the answer carefully. Next C, listen now. So C, S, T. Okay, so this line segment ST. Next D, line segment M, N. Okay, children, listen here. So this line segment ST dash centimeter. Next line segment MN dash centimeter. Okay, students, listen here. So now we take the ruler and measure the length. Okay, children, listen here. So first we take the ruler mark. Okay, keep the 0 centimeter end of the ruler on point S. Okay, next this end point T. Okay, children, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the first one answer 4 centimeter. Is it clear children? Okay, so C question 4 centimeter. Okay, so line segment ST 4 centimeter. Okay, children. Next one M N. Okay, so D costing M N. Okay, the line segment M N. So this one 10 centimeter. Okay, so D answer 10 centimeter. Okay, children, write the answer carefully. So C answer 4 centimeter. Next D 10 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay, children. Next one now. Children, next second question, listen. Students, listen. Next B question, listen now. Second question, draw the line segments. Okay, draw the line segments. First A question, line segment CD 11 centimeter. Okay, next B question, line segment GH 4 centimeter. Children, now we draw the line segment. Okay, so first line segment CD 11 centimeter. So first we take the ruler mark Okay, first mark the point C. Okay, this line segment CD. So first we mark the point C. Okay, so 0 centimeter. Okay, so this end C 0 centimeter. Okay, next children, so this one 11 centimeter. Okay, so we count 11 centimeter and the ruler. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so 11 centimeter. Okay children, so this point D. Okay, first we mark the start point C, next end point D. Okay, children listen here. Next we join the lines C and D. Okay, so join the points C and D. Okay, so for this 11 centimeter. Is it clear, ma? 11 centimeter. Okay children, next one more. Children listen, next B question listen here. Line segment GH 4 centimeter. Okay, so first place the ruler bar. Okay, at 0 centimeter. Okay, place the ruler at the 0 centimeter. Children, so this name, this line segment GH. Okay, so start point G. So mark the point name G. Okay children, next this one line segment length 4 centimeter. So we count the number 4. Children 1 2 3 4. Okay, so the 4 is this one. Okay children, so 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so next this point name H. Okay, next join the points. Join the points G and H. Okay, so this line segment G H. So length 4 centimeter. Okay, next we write the length 4 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay children, look at the slide now. Students listen here. So second sum also finished. Next third sum homework. Okay, third sum homework. Draw line segment of the given measurements in your notebook. Okay, draw line segments of the given measurements in your notebook. Okay, so this third sum homework. Children, look at the slide all of you. Which shape is this, ma'am? Which shape is this? Square. Okay, so this shape square. Children, what type of line segment is this shape made of? What type of line segment, ma'am? So horizontal and vertical line segment. Okay, horizontal and vertical line segment. Children, listen here. So this horizontal line is called length. Okay, this horizontal line is called length. Next, this vertical line is called height. Okay, horizontal line is called length, ma. Vertical line is called height. Okay, students listen. Look at the next slide. Now we measure one horizontal side and write its length. Okay, so first we measure the horizontal line, ma. So the length 9 centimeter. Okay, see the next one. So next we measure the vertical side length. So this length also 9 centimeter. Okay, see the next slide. So step 3, repeat step 1 and 2 for the remaining 2 sides and write the length. Okay, so for 9 centimeter. Next vertical line 9 centimeter, horizontal line 9 centimeter. Okay, children listen. Do you know properties of square, ma? Do you know properties of square? Okay, so square thus all sides are equal length. Okay, so vertical and horizontal lines are equal length. Okay children, is it clear? Students listen here. What is the shape ma? What is the shape? Square. Okay, so this shape square. Now we measure the length. Okay, children listen here. First we take the ruler. Okay, students listen. So this first we measure the horizontal length. Okay, yeah. So 0 to 50. Okay children, so this square shape ma, so this length 15 centimeter. Okay, yeah. Next we measure the vertical. So vertical length. Children listen here. So this length also 15 centimeter. Okay. Next another side. Next this side also 15 centimeter. Okay. Next we measure the last side. So this side also 15 centimeter. Okay, yeah. So children listen here. So square. Children, square because all sides are equal. Okay, yeah. So first this square shape ma. So this side 15 centimeter. Next this side also 15 centimeter. Next 15 centimeter. Next 15 centimeter. Okay, yeah. So horizontal and vertical length are equal. Okay, so square all sides are equal length. Okay, students listen. Next we take the rectangle shape. Okay, next we take the rectangle shape ma. Now we measure the length. Okay, students listen here. So we take the ruler ma. Children listen. Keep the 0 centimeter end of the ruler. Okay, children listen here. So 0 to students listen. So 0 to 35. Okay, yeah. So the total length 0 to 35. So this horizontal line. Okay, yeah. So the horizontal side 35 centimeter. Okay. Next we measure the vertical side ma. So vertical side 15 centimeter. Okay, yeah. Children, one rectangle shape are given. Now we measure the length. Okay. So first we measure the horizontal side ma. So horizontal side 35 centimeter. Okay, yeah. Horizontal side 35 centimeter. So next we measure the vertical side. So vertical side 15 centimeter. Okay. Next this side. This side also 35 centimeter. Next this side 15 centimeter. Okay. Students listen here. So length 35 centimeter and breadth 15 centimeter. Next length 35. Next 15. Okay. Children listen. So this rectangle shape. Okay, so rectangle plus opposite sides are equal. So this horizontal line 35 centimeter. So this opposite side 35 centimeter. Okay, yeah. Next vertical line 15 centimeter. Next this opposite also 15 centimeter. Okay, so rectangle plus opposite sides are equal. Okay, students listen here. Is it clear ma? Okay, students. Next students look at the board. Students listen ma. First we measure the square shape. Okay. So one square shape are given. Okay. Now we measure the length. Okay. Students listen here. So first we take the ruler ma. So this side 7 centimeter. Okay, yeah. So this length 7 centimeter. Okay, so first we measure the horizontal side ma. So horizontal side 7 centimeter. Next we measure the vertical side. So vertical side also 7 centimeter. Okay. Next another horizontal side 7 centimeter. Next also 7 centimeter. Okay, is it clear? Okay children, so 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Okay, students listen. Now take your worksheet ma. Take your worksheet all of you. Students listen. Worksheet number 82. Worksheet number 82. Page number 82 ma. Worksheet number 7. Okay, worksheet number 7. Page number 82. Students listen. First example, measure a square. So there are 3 steps are given. Okay, first step, first measure one horizontal side and write its length. Okay, yeah. Second step, next measure one vertical side and write its length. Next third step, repeat steps 1 and 2 for the remaining 2 sides and write their length. Okay, yeah. Students listen. All of you take your pencil ma. Take your pencil. Children, take your pencil and ruler. First some listen. Measure the shapes and write their measurements below. Okay. So first A question listen. So A question square shape are given. Next B question one rectangle shape are given. Okay. Now we measure the square shape length. Okay. Students listen. So first one square mark. So first measure the horizontal side length. Okay, yeah. So this horizontal side length 6 centimeter. Okay, yeah. Next side also 6 centimeter. Next horizontal side 6 centimeter and vertical side also 6 centimeter. Okay, children. Next B question listen. Students listen here. Worksheet number 7 ma. First second, first one A question. Okay, one square shape are given. Okay, so this one 6 centimeter. Next this side 6 centimeter. Next 6 centimeter. Okay, is it clear? Okay, students. Next one rectangle shape are given. Okay. Children, you take the ruler and measure the length ma. So what is the length pa? Children, this side 3 centimeter. Okay. Next this side 6 centimeter. Next this side 3 centimeter. Next side 6 centimeter. Is it clear? Write the answer ma. Write the answer. So square shape, all sides are equal length. Next rectangle, opposite sides are equal length. Okay, opposite sides are equal. So this 6 centimeter, this opposite side 6 centimeter. Next this 3 centimeter, opposite side also 3 centimeter. Okay, is it clear? Okay, children. So today homework, worksheet number 6. Worksheet number 6, page number 81, third sum. Okay, third sum fully homework ma. So A, B, C and D. Children, is it clear? Okay children, see you next class ma. Thank you dear.